Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, driver airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.